Yeah. No. It looks like we're back above 1895 on gold. As long as we stay above this area, if you see on the higher time frames, like the 4 hour, um, should be good, right? As long as this 1892 support holds. Mm, nice. No, let's just wait like 2 minutes for everyone in YouTube to tune in. The YouTube crew. All right, welcome to another session. Uh, this is Tuesday, the 8th of June, and we're gonna go ahead and get this started with GBP JPY. Do the same thing we always do. Go from the 4 hour, daily, weekly, higher time frames down to the 30 minute, and look for our no trade zone, our breakout if we're looking for buys, and our breakout if we're looking for sells. And let's go ahead and see what's going on with GJ on the 4 hour. So I'm gonna keep this in here, the sells, just in case. Looks like, well, we've created like a bigger range now on the 4 hour. Once we start breaking above 154 800 towards 155, we have a lot of traffic to get through. Going on here on the weekly, two big bearish candles. See something. Yeah, we would need a nice clean break above 155, 900, 156 flat just to, take off and get out of this zone already. But we might keep pushing down here towards this previous resistance to now turn to support at 153 flat. I mean, I don't want to go there, but if we keep getting that bearish pressure, we might have a nice little meltdown. 70 pips, not too shabby. Or if we, hold this zone here, which we didn't break since yesterday, 154 600, 154 500, we might get that retest here to continue up. The thing is that even on the 4 hour, well, even if you look on the 1 hour, there's a lot of traffic on the way up, a lot of obstacles. That's the only thing that I don't like. But I mean, we could still play the ranges. And for gold, oh, we had this little nice drop here during the Asian session. Okay, that's good. I haven't even looked at it since yesterday. Yesterday we had this break above 1884, right? Which messed around here pre-New York, continued up here, NYSE. So the New York Stock Exchange gave us that pull. From there we tapped 1890, and above 1890 we kept going to 1900. That was the goal for the day. Okay, good. And now what do we need? We need to stay above this area here, 1895, 1894. Need a nice clean break above this for us to continue taking buys. Getting a wick fill above this area here, and then of course a continuation towards the 1900s again. So we need here 30-minute. Take this off here. Put this a little up here. And our most recent support on the 30-minute, which will be here. Just keeping this here for now. It does look like we're out of this zone, right? So with volume, we might have that push up. I just don't want to have a reversal getting back here and getting stuck in this area. That's the last thing that I want. So this will be basically the no trade zone per se. per se. And buys above 1893. As long as we respect that zone and we don't go back in the range, right? Target for the day, it seems a little far off, but I think we can retap 1900, with volume. This is gonna be our target for the day. Target. It does look a little iffy, right? Because of this traffic here. A lot of consolidation going on around here. So if we, I just want to see how we react within the next hour. So like around 7:30, getting close to NY Open, has basically see the formation here if we stay in this zone, which I'm gonna draw right now, or if we stay, kind of like below it, back to the no trade zone, uh, which is important for us to see how can we play the buys. As for sales, basically I just want to see a clean break below an 1890 if we, if we're gonna get that pullback. So yeah, let's just wait here and see how we can form. But so far, buys above this area will work if we respect 1893. Um, it's just that this zone here is a little tricky. hmm And for GJ, sheesh, this is even messier than yesterday. Alright, let me take this off. I mean, yeah, gold buys above 1893 will be 1898, 1897 will be a lot better. But if we want to play the range here, as long as price stays above here, because well, let's see, for example, if we get the same thing that happened here yesterday, that it stayed above 1884, but we ranged in here for a little. I just want to clarify that buys are still valid if we stay above 1890. 3 in this side, 1884 here from yesterday, which it played out, but it just ranged throughout the New York session. Um, a breakout, and I think a better buy will be above 1895, to be honest. So let's go ahead and change that, and this will be like the entire no trade zone, to be honest. So it's big, but it is what it is, because we might pull back here and just range throughout this whole area. So I just don't want to be stuck in here for now. I have a nice little break above this wick for price to continue up, with a 15-minute confirmation, maybe 5-minute. Yeah, target will be top of these bodies, probably those with this wick up here. Continuation up, which is 1905. I'm actually gonna take this off. And if we get the juice, we can continue up towards 1911, 1910, 1909. See here, that's like the ultimate target for the day, right?
Yeah, hi Mack, you're right.
Hey, what's up, buddy? How's everything?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Chilling, chilling.
Nice. Yeah, I like the idea about the like what gold is doing now, because it's creating the support on the hourly, is rejecting the 1891, which if you go on the 4 hour, you can see we've had a resistance created on the 4 hour from the 6th of June,
Yeah.
which what I'm looking at, like probably now the bottom daily wick is created. So I think once we break above 1898 and we've got a clean traffic to correct that move that we've had, that move down we've had from the Asian session.
Oh, that was here? That just is the move from the Asian session? Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, okay, makes sense. Right. So, something like this, let me just zoom out a little to kind of explain what Zalim is saying. So, let's see. Have your support here, first support, second support, third support if it holds. We have a higher high here, higher
yeah,
low down here, higher high, and oops, and higher low, right? So what do we
yeah,
need? We need a basically a fill up to this resistance to continue up. Once we break, we're gonna tap the next higher high zone, which is here, 1909 or 1910, like I said. Um, Hopefully the final target, which is this wick up here at 1917. It's possible for the day, but yeah, we first need to have that momentum, seeing that we're gonna correct this move from the Asian session to continue up. Once we see the momentum coming in, probably New York Open, maybe um, at 9 a.m. Uh, Once we get that continuation and we start breaking this higher high, which was created at during the Asian session, that's gonna give us the basically like the goal, right? Saying that, oh, we're gonna continue up, and the next target, which will be 1909.
yeah. The reason why I mentioned about the 1898 like buys above that area is because if you look on the hourly, we've had a couple of rejections on, from the 1898,
Mm-hmm.
and between 1898 and 1900, that's the range that we've had on the Asian session, pre-Asian.
Yeah.
So I think once we close back above that range and then create another support on the 30-minute or a 15-minute maybe, depending on the volume, then buys will be much better.
Yeah, bites will be much better because if you see here on the smaller time frames, like the 15, the 30 minute,
Yeah.
um, how do you call it? What are you spelling here? Oh yeah. How do you call it? We basically have to see feel the momentum coming in.
Yeah, definitely.
Let me go ahead and take this off. So yeah, I think it's pretty well marked based on the higher time frames here. You see, first target is 1900. Second target, not too shabby, not too far away, 1910. So possible. And the final target, which is this Wakefield up here, 1916 for the day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense as long as we stay above 1895 to write this up and correct this movement from the Asian session, and finally get a tap to 1900 again. So first I'll need a clean break above this 30-minute wick for price to continue up. This will be one, and the second 30-minute bullish candle for confluence. And yeah, I think 1900 is very possible for today. 60, well, it's not a good number, but okay, 666. Is that a fan blowing in the background? A fan? No, man, I don't have a fan blowing in the background.
It's beautiful. I agree with that idea, Mac.
Yeah, do you do? Thank you. Good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense. As long as we see price,
1895.
yeah, price breaking above 1895. Mm-hmm.
That's basically a key level right now.
Yeah. Yes, sir. You're right. 1895. We can see that it's coming from all the way down here. So now we have to sit on our hands and wait. Hopefully this 15-minute support holds. Now if it holds, then we will need a break above this previous high on the 15, which is 1895 700. So our buys above 1895 700 to be exact. And as far as GJ, what it's doing, it's acting up. Really messy area, super messy. And if you do want to play the ranges, you know that once we start breaking above this area here, or if you want to, be safe above this wick here, which is 1500, I mean 155, sorry about that, then you have this next range here, coming from the support down here, resistance here. It's a small range, but it's something, 20 pips. And then above that range we have the next range, which is 155 600, 30 pips, so a total of 50 pips. Something. It's not ideal, but it's something. So for GJ, this is the entire no trade zone range. So when I type no trade zone, it's basically from the nearest resistance to the nearest support, just in case. It's a big no trade zone, but I think it's safe. You don't want to be stuck in here. For buys, we need a nice break above. Which we actually kind of tapped yesterday, but we didn't have the close. Yeah, we tapped it, but they didn't close above, so or nor broke above, so liquidity grabbed on previous 4 hour, now moon. Okay, let's see the 4 hour. Yeah, it looks like it's been grabbing liquidity. Price to continue up. Which pair do I trade the most? Probably for now I trade gold the most. Oh, GJ's been it's been really hard, these past 2 weeks almost. What's up?
April wasn't good either on GJ.
Oh yeah, no, and April was shitty too. Yeah, April was bad. Completely forgot about April. April was just pure range. Oh, this is May. Yeah, this is April. So when the market gives you ranges, you gotta squeeze the lemons. Did it make sense? And just in case, I want to have this also sells below. $600, yeah. Man said 6 months, not 2 weeks. Yeah, man, I don't know. It looks like 2 weeks. I'm not gonna go backtrack how long GJ's been acting up. But yeah, it's been acting up. So it's not your fault. You're not a shitty trader. It's just GJ. So now we need this support to hold here on 1893, and better just to get a clean break above this zone again and close above this previous wick, which is not happening right now. It's 7 a.m. already. So from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. we might have that volatility push. So let's see how it plays out. So I'm gonna set up an alert here just in case. Oh man, it's jeez, it's hot. You didn't know what you wanted in puberty. GJ wasn't that bad. Oh yeah, I got a buy stop above 1895 8.80. That's good, which is here, right? Right on the alert. That's smart. Um, and then sell back in the range. So your stop loss should be somewhere around here. So let's measure that. So let me go ahead and set this up here. Uh, 1896 or 1895 80. 1895 80. Like Pierce. Oh no. Jocko said. That's good. So that's pretty smart. And your stop loss should be somewhere around here. $18.94, maybe $18.93 point 900 will be your stop loss. So just to see the trade idea, let me drop the RR right here. So something like this, right? And your first target, which will be 10 pips, maybe somewhere around here. And then your final target is 1900. 60 pips, but I think it's possible with volume.
You're in it, Mac.
No, no, I'm still not in it. I want to see that break on that previous 15 here, that bearish
Okay.
15,
Yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
continue up, right? Because if you see here, this let me point it out here. Um, this bearish candle,
Yeah,
this one here,
95 has been tough on the
yeah,
1 hour.
this one here, right? We wanna replicate it or mirror for price to
Hmm.
continue up and actually tap this zone here. And if we continue above it, pierce through it with the volatility from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Eastern time, I think we can continue up here easily. So yeah, let's see how it moves. But
Yeah.
I have a buy stop here. Oh, oops. Kevin. You guys don't get the name right. His name is Kerwin. Kerwin. I don't know, I-N? Yeah, I-N. Said it right?
Yeah.
Kevin, Kelvin,
Carwin.
Kevin, Kervin. Yeah, you guys are a trip.
God, they are not trying surname.
Yeah.
Good morning, Ninat.
Morning, morning. I still don't know how you pronounce Kervin's surname. It's like Velasquez or Velasquez.
Velasquez,
Velasquez.
Velasquez,
Velasquez.
Velasquez with a V.
Velasquez.
Velasquez.
Velasquez. Yeah,
Uh,
it's Spaniard. It's from the conquistadors.
He gets on right now. He's like, "Yo, what's up? Who's got beef?"
Nah, he's he's not here right now.
Everyone's shouting my name for.
Velasquez, yes. Yeah, Kerwin. Kerwin. That's a funny name. I like it, Kerwin. Because you're mixing. It's kind of like an English name, and then you have a Spanish last name, Kerwin Velasquez. Yeah, you guys don't know my real name.
Alex.
No, yeah, I mean that's
Alejandro.
yeah. When I have people telling me my real name and then they can't pronounce it, it's so funny.
So your real name is Alejandro.
Yeah, like the Lady Gaga
Okay.
song.
Yeah, of course. Very famous name in Spain.
It is. It's a
Yeah,
good
yeah.
name. What's your real name? Not your stripper name. They call me Mack. They call me Mack because I used to listen to a lot of Mac Miller back in high school, and yeah, I kind of had like the same vibe as him. You know, chill, and I used to dress with nice
Do
shoes.
drugs.
Yeah,
You're a stoner?
yeah, I used to smoke a lot, but yeah, let's get that off the stream for now. We'll talk about it later.
That's another topic.
That's another topic for another day. It looks so well with momentum. We're gonna break that. Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're hitting good volume right now.
Yeah, that volume since from 7 a.m. to 8, it's pretty decent.
It's pre New York.
Yeah, pre New York basically.
You're in?
Yeah, my buy stop got activated. Now it's just uh, basically managing risk at this moment. If we start heading back down, but I think we should be able to continue up easily. I like to have Steve-O here.
We got 3 minutes left for the 15 minutes close.
Yeah, so as long as we stay above this zone, I think we should be good, which is 1895, key level, whatever you want to call it. And then it's just, matter of managing your risk. If your um, trade goes back into your stop loss, which is 20 pips, which is very moderate for gold, that's when you start managing your risk. You close half at what, 10 pips, and the rest once it gets there, or however you do it. I'm I'm not very uh, into the risk managing thing. Did Steve get his MK? I think so. His MK.
Yes, I did. I was gonna
Oh,
send a
look.
picture of it.
He got it right
picture to
there.
Roger. Yes, sir.
He got it right there. He got he got even got a better version than I do.
Yeah, he got the last one.
I
Yeah.
got the last one.
He's
Yes.
got an iPhone 12 and I got an iPhone 5. Jeez.
Yeah. I'm special.
You're special. That's awesome. I mean, yeah,
It is.
it's a very simple tool to use. Doesn't really require that many brain cells for you to use. The only thing is that you have to set up your presets according to your risk. So for me, my stop loss is usually at 20 pips. So whenever I open a trade, it goes automatically to the $2 drop to the stop loss. And my take profit is usually $3, which is 30 pips. My my how do you call it, my auto break even is at $15.50. So once it goes there, it makes my entry go set up at break even, and that's when I'll be closing partials 80%, 70%. I have someone else. Oh my God! Yes. Why do you people asking for Kerwin? Kerwin has things to do. He's gonna be here later. And people love Kerwin.
Who doesn't love him?
You gotta love the man.
He's leaving his kids at school.
Yeah, man. He's got a life. Wanna adopt me? No, like I'm not. I don't wanna adopt anyone. You wanna adopt me? Go ahead.
Well, first target is 98, right?
Yeah, the 97 300 here.
Okay.
Oh. Close with barely any wick to the top, but let's see.
That's good. It's good.
Mm-hmm. Dun, 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 dun. What? Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this to go a bit lower to enter.
Hmm. Yeah, spread is like 2 pips. Not bad. So, okay.
Yo, Mac, how often
Yeah,
do you look at the 5 minute on gold?
on gold.
Yeah, how often do you look at the
How
five
often
minute?
do I look at it? Oh, now you saying to look at it because of this pullback.
Yeah,
Now it's a good time to look at it because now we're having this pullback, and if we break below this previous one, which usually happens when we grab liquidity for price to continue up, the moment we start hitting, one, we break one, and then we start getting close to the second one. That's when I start like kind of like worrying about it and maybe close some of my positions. But I rather stay on the 15, not to worry much and dissect the whole thing because
right,
we might be just retapping this wick here,
for
right,
sure.
and reject it like that's what it's looking like.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Oh, what was I gonna do on my phone, man? Yo, I hate when I grab my phone and then I forget what I was what I was gonna do. Oh.
Oh, Kervin.
Hey, you one of those too? Yeah, you a
No, no, I'm
fan.
good. I'm good with you, man.
You a fan. All right, I'm gonna just leave the stream to Kerwin.
I
You
think
guys.
Colonel and boys.
I'm good with you, Mac.
You're happy with me? Okay.
Aye, Captain.
Hey, I'm happy as long as you're here, Ninad.
Bro, are you doing both sessions?
Both sessions? Oh man, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Oh,
Well, in
whoa.
case you make it, see you tonight then.
Okay. All right. Seeing this 5 minute pushing down. We've seen that a lot of times, right? It's just bearish 5 minute, nothing to be uh, worried about. But if we start going negative 10 pips, then that's something to worry about. I think we're good here. Oh, okay, let me do what I was doing here. It's quick.
Looks like it's just doing the retest on the 15 minute.
Let's see the 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, retest that zone here. It's really slow, but I mean, it's good.
Yeah. It's taking
Taking
more time than
forever.
I expected. Yeah.
I mean, it's good. Don't get me wrong.
I mean, gold could turn in 2 minutes
Yeah,
and be bullish.
yeah. Somebody said yesterday that I brought the Asian session with me. I brought the Asian session volume with me.
Yesterday was horrible, man.
Yeah, yesterday was just pure range. Hopefully, it'll be a lot better today.
Come on, gold. Push. Gotta turn. Hasn't got a top wig on the 15.
Mm-hmm.
It should turn.
Six one 064.
Come on, baby.
Come on, push.
If this closes bearish, looks good for an impulse. If it goes above.
Yeah.
Oof.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Hmm.
It does look like I brought the the Asian session volume with me.
You got 4 minutes for it to close.
I think the price is just reacting from the recent 1 hour resistance on the left, probably. That's why.
You got half
Yeah.
an hour for New York Open too, so you should get volume.
But there is
Yeah.
lack of volume. Probably that's why it's not breaking above.
Yeah.
Especially with gold, it usually moves the best in NYSE.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I mean, doesn't mean that
Yes.
we shouldn't trade it pre New York, but
No, I'm just saying that's when the best volume is.
yeah. Imagine holding this to until 9:30. That would be 2 hours.
Yep. Honestly, I would hold it just by looking at what the 4 hour is doing. It did the exact same thing it was doing yesterday.
Oh yeah. Yesterday was from all the way here, right? Yeah. 1884.
Exactly, and then did it push up and now it pushed down, and now you're getting your first 4 hour bullish
Yeah,
candle.
but remember yesterday we were stuck in here for
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, almost 3.5 hours.
Yep. You get paid to wait, right?
Yeah. And remember to just mitigate risk if it's going back into um close to your stop loss. Mm.
That wasn't the worst close on the 15, I'd say.
No, it
Oh.
wasn't.
It was good.
Yeah. When this normally happens on a 30-minute, the down week is very low, very little.
Yeah, we still closed above 1895.
95.
On the
Yeah,
30
that's
minute, which
key.
is good.
Yeah. Yep.
So now better confirmation would be once we go ahead and we pass this previous 30-minute wick, which is 1896 380. That will give us a better confirmation to hold.
1896 380.
Oh, 18.
You're talking about the previous 30-minute high.
Yeah, the previous 30-minute high, previous
Okay.
30-minute wick high. Oh man, I can't. I hate this. When I'm trying to look for an email and then I can't find it. Oh, we got a.
You have a search box.
Yeah, I have a search box, but nothing comes out.
Spam section.
Nobody got time for that. I'll find it later. Yeah, 30-minute looks nice. Nice. But where's Kerwin?
Is he here?
You ask me again, I'm gonna shut down the stream. Oh, you got a donation from Juve. Nice. Juve Gonzalez.
Parcero.
Is Mac?
Yeah, what's up?
Is Alex alive?
Yeah, he's there, chilling, cutting hair.
Cutting hair. Okay.
As, of course he's gonna be alive. uh, let's see. Look onto the 15 here. I don't want to see a break below the previous 15-minute low. Even though on the 30-minute looks really good. But I'll probably close some of my positions if it gets below this area again. Are you in buys? Well, I mean, look at the screen. Yeah, I think we're gonna stick to the 30-minute just in case. Oops, sorry. Whoa. Gold, please do the right thing. It sounds like you're like full margin gold.
Ouch, my ears.
Ouch my ears. Cover your ears.
Mac, you have another name for the YouTube chat, or you call them the gulag?
It's gulag. It would always be the gulag. Man, I just don't want it to be another character building day like yesterday. Oh, at least we got Bill here on the treadmill. So we're gonna put him in here. Boom.
Someone using the
Morning, guys.
Morning, morning.
Morning.
Would another entry at the break of the 15-minute high be a bad idea?
That would be a great
That would be a
idea.
good idea, actually.
I think I'm gonna add a small position at that.
Yeah, me too. I've got a pending over there.
Yeah, because
At
once we
least
start
two.
breaking above this, these
I think it's
two,
gone.
right, we'll be engulfing the previous bearish candle. So yeah, that will be a good confirmation engulfment.
Yeah, at least to this sum, in my opinion. I agree.
Yeah,
Do
that's
you,
my TP actually.
do you trade
For
as
my
a
Yeah.
first TP.
Yep.
do you trade as a full-time trader? No, I trade as a half-time trader. What do you think about Wyckoff and smart money concepts? If somebody asks me about smart money concepts and you don't give me what an explanation of a smart money concept is, then I'm not gonna answer. Wyckoff. No man, I don't trade Wyckoff.
To trade Wyckoff, you need volume. And the only way to get volume on Forex is trading the
Price
future
action.
markets.
Oh
No,
yeah.
future markets. Yeah.
So we're gonna start trading the Dow from now on and the S&P. So let's go ahead and make that switch. If there is smart money, then there is dumb money. We trade dumb money here. Oh, at least somebody got 10 pips. Oh, where is this? Where is this coming from? Oh, this is from earlier today. Silver award. Hey. I'm gonna take GJ off my watch list. I'm kidding.
GJ's disgusting.
It's disgusting. I don't even know what feed am I using in GJ FXCM. Yeah, let me go ahead and revise how uh, gold broke out on during the NYSE, which it was here, right? We had this nice push up, hitting 1890. Failed to break 1890. Well, failed to close above 1890. Once we got NYSE at 930, we pulled back. I actually grabbed some entries down here at the pullback, little entries. And then this next 10 a.m. candle pulled all the way up here. It was a little rangy after that, but then I think 11:30 past London close. That's when we had this push. It wasn't like a one or two 30-minute candles push, right? It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, little ladder movement here. Wait to sell the course? What do you mean the course? What course? Been hearing lots of mentors promoting that strategy. What strategy? The white cock. I remember Rekio had this guy once in his one of the guest streams that we do on Fridays, and the guy got really mad because we didn't know what white cuff was. And we did ask him to like explain it to us, and he couldn't even explain it. So Wyckoff distribution. Making money the Wyckoff way. Making money the Wyckoff way. It seems like a very outdated thing. Look at this guy. He's got a black and white picture. That's Wyckoff. It's important to remember the law of effort versus result. Yes, Richard D. Wyckoff. By comparing rallies and reactions within the trading range to each other in terms of price, spread, volume, and time. Okay. What is it? Okay, like order blocks.
Here we go with gold, man.
Yo, come on, man, stop screaming.
Come on, man.
All right, we're
Gold.
We're closing one position.
Boom, boom.
Carlos, man, you can't do that, brother. I'm wearing headsets, man.
Sorry, man.
All right, I'm closing 20 pips right now.
That's crazy. It jumped up so fast, yo. Wow, amazing.
Oh fuck! I thought you were a burner, man.
Nah, sorry.
And she continue up.
Yeah, moving to break even and everything.
Now I'm putting this at break even. And let's continue up.
It's gonna continue, man. Push.
Like they gotta like the stream, man. They gotta like the stream.
Oh, here we go. 20 pips. Mr. Kervin.
Who needs Kerwin, right? When we got Mack.
Yeah, man.
I'm fucking with you.
Some respect on the name.
Some respect on my name, man.
Yeah, man. You're independent, man. You're fucking Alejandro.
Yeah, watch out with the cursing. I don't want to get kicked out of YouTube.
Push, baby, push.
That's our little gold trade for the day. So that's good. One trade a day. Just keeps the stress away. And YouTube. And we got 400 people live and 100 in the Zoom. Zoom. Go hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Hit it.
Close another 25.
Mack always wins. Yeah, man, I've had a pretty decent winning streak. Don't wanna jinx it. But yeah, go ahead, guys. That's the one trade we took today. Gonna go ahead and record it here for the gram, for the cloud. Go ahead and hit the like button. Hit it. And we got what, 400 people here and 100 in the Zoom.
Yeah, if you caught these buys, you have to like the stream.
Yeah.
Yeah. Donate. Give like.
Oh man.
What happened?
Nothing. Just continuing up. But oh wow, we got 200 likes. We got a nice little gold trade, and the likes are pumping. Look at that. I want to get 400 likes today. Pump it.
There's nothing like having a runner that acts right.
392. No way, Josh donated $100. No way, Josh. I gotta return that money to you. 232 likes. I'm here for the likes. And gold is still pumping. 1900 first target, and above that will be 1905. So let's hold your runners. Gang.
Very nice trade, Mac.
Thank you.
Very nice, man. well managed.
Josh is my brother. Josh actually he donated a monitor to the stream, so without Josh there wouldn't be no stream. So thank him.
We appreciate you, everybody in here.
Yeah, we
Uh,
said the same.
so
Appreciate Josh. Appreciate.
everybody say thank you, Josh, on the chat, please. Everybody,
Thank you, Josh.
Thank you,
everybody in the
Thank
Zoom.
guys.
Thank you, Josh, and I'll be right back,
Thank you,
guys.
Josh.
I love you, Josh.
You're gonna order something with the money, man.
Where are you going? Huh? So where you going?
Anyone holding runners?
Yes, sir.
Still got mine going.
I bet. Me too. Me too.
Yeah, I got a small 10% running.
Guys, thinking about adding position above these candles.
I already added one position.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add. I took 3 positions. I got out 2 and left 1.
What about this 30 minutes close above 1897 500 and then adding another position?
Yeah, I'm just leaving my runner.
Yeah, I mean, it could play out on the next 30 minutes, but personally, I think I'm just going to secure my profits and call it a day.
Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you on that.
Yeah, if you're in it already, don't push it.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Don't be greedy, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Take a bit, taking profit.
Yeah, exactly. No need to push your luck, you know?
Like Roger Banks says, you beat the banks.
Word up.
100% runner.
This could just fly, man.
Look at this. Look
Yeah,
at
it should.
this.
It should.
Yeah, like
that.
champion.
Come on, lady. Come on.
It would be nice if it flies all the way to 1902.
That'd be blessed.
Yeah.
Will you hold it until there or you will close it sooner?
I'm gonna hold.
Yeah.
I mean, for now, if we went above 1898, guys, above these wicks, I think we're out the out the dirt. We're in the clear. I think we should continue up.
Out
The
of
thing
the
is
woods.
that the New York Open is coming, so you might secure some positions and leave the rest running. So I'm securing half right now. I'm 22 pips up. So I had a 2 lot open. I secured 1.5, and I had another position at 1 lot open, so I secured 1.
At what point do you say move your stop loss to under a 15-minute candle, like most recent 15-minute candle, or do you just let it or keep it at entry?
I already moved it as soon as we went up this out this area. Yeah, I'm okay. I have asthma, so it's really hot. It's hard for me to breathe. So I think I don't know how the Luke stream is doing, but I think we're winning today, guys. We won yesterday. We won today. I don't throw shade against anyone. I'm just here playing, but it was a really good trade. It's been running for 30 pips already. $1900s. Here we go. Cause let's see the 15 how it's doing. Yeah, I think the 15 is good. Might have a small retracement back here, tap again, but other than that, I think we should continue up. We still have another 5 minutes left. Oh, somebody donated 5 SGD, Singapore dollar.
Singapore dollars.
Singapore dollar.
SGD.
What's that?
Yes.
Singapore
Yes,
dollar.
Yeah,
Yes,
Singapore
yes.
dollar.
Man, that's what I'm asking, Carlos.
Yeah, I'm on Zoom, so I cannot see.
Oh.
If it's SGD or
You're in the VIP area.
where I belong.
Citibank said, "Thank you, Mac." Citibank. Somebody needs to get the name of Chase. Somebody needs to get the name of Wells Fargo. We have all the banks in here. I heard somebody saying, this little kid saying that because it's summer, GJ is ranging because institutions are out there having fun. And that was the stupidest shit that I've ever heard in my life. I don't want to say who said it, but you guys will probably get an idea. The only thing about gold here is 1898 because of this zone here. So just something to keep in mind.
I miss Trump, man.
Don't we all?
What's up, Mac? What's up?
Hey. I don't know who said that. Who said that? Kevin? Come on.
Yeah, man. What's going on?
What's up, Kevin?
Everything's good.
Chilling like a villain. Here, killing gold, killing pips. But now we tapped about this area now. If we can close at least here, right? Even though we're wicking, I think we should continue with the next 1 hour. We might have a small pullback. 4 hours is breaking above the areas, so I think yes, we did break above that previous wick.
Yeah, if we close above there, I want to see a support form on the 15 minutes, and I'll break the high in the 15 minutes, and then we can ride it up to the next level.
So you want to pull back down here maybe, and then continue up again to re-enter.
Yeah.
Yeah, you missed it. Got here a little late, man. So now I guess
man.
everyone.
I'm always here, man.
Oh, you've been here since the beginning. All right, so you should have got the premium entries, the VIP entries.
I got the premium.
Mm-hmm. Anyone check on the other Zoom? How is? Yeah, I saw Guatemala giving Kamala the nice welcome. I actually lived in Guatemala for 4 years. Guatemala is a country with there is a lot of people from the German descent, and basically they're white, right? So they were giving Kamala the welcome, saying that she's not welcome in there, and that Trump won. Imagine a country that has nothing to do with the States is giving such a welcoming to our vice president. Wow, look at that. Almost target for the day.
Yeah, anybody who took those impulse buy above 198.98 is probably eating right now, but I didn't want to take those buys. I wanted to pull back. If we get a pullback right here and form support and we break that, that's even perfect. So.
Yeah, I think we're good. Close with barely any wick to the top, though.
Yeah. Yeah, but this is gonna push at least till 0150, 02.
Man, this already moved. How many pips? This already moved 44 pips. That's good enough for me.
So the good thing about this, I think there's going to be more buys because if you notice, like all the previous 15-minute candle, there's more volume than the previous 15 minutes.
Right.
So, yeah, we're going to get up to 1903 at least.
Above 1903, I have 1908. So if we go about 1900s, then it's going straight to 1908.
Yeah.
Easily.
Yeah. This is the pullback right here, like how the previous setup where we're trending, making higher lows. So this is the next setup for anyone that missed it to get in the potential buys again if you want to take gold again.
Yeah, the target for the day, for the for the New York session, right? It will be 1900. Then I'll be happy. That's the runner. Yeah, 1900. That's the target. So far, we're up 40 pips. Need what? 9 pips left. 41.
All right. Take care, Mac. Take care with your customer.
Bye,
Cheers.
Nina. Be safe. Take care. And hope you took that gold trade. And if you have any runners, just leave them running. Should be up already 30, 40 pips.
I close all for 30 pips.
Yeah, that 1 hour pullback. Well, Mac, where did you see a good place to get another entry on gold? Basically, I believe, who talked about it? Um, Man, what's this guy with the trophy? Oh, here. Not you, Steve. Trade. Trade talked about it above this 15-minute bearish. That was the second entry for anyone who was planning on getting, the second entry. But right now, Kevon said basically what I'm hoping for is to hit back down here, create some sort of support to ride the next pull to the upside and finally hit that 1900.
Yeah, that's just something I've seen over and over when it breaks that weak bullet or bearish candle.
Oh shit, my bad, Trey. Mute yourself.
Yeah.
But yeah, when it breaks that weak 15-minute candle, I mean, it's gonna fly after
Right,
that.
this is an engulfment, right? Very obvious on price action when you see candles engulfing like that, the break and the retest and then the next one going above the previous high. That's a good confirmation for buys. And from here, you can easily had ridden 37 pips.
Like I said, all the people that are struggling in trading, just find the pattern, man. Market structure and gold is like the #1 key. And if you follow the structure and gold, like, and understand how it moves, like, you'll be good, man. Because gold's always going to pull back to form support, even on the lower time frame. If you look at the 5 minutes, probably forming a structure to continue to go higher right now.
Wow, it's kind of like the same pick I took of total. Yeah. Oh, Just different faces. So yeah, we might just chill here for a little with this new zone that's coming all the way from down here. And now since we're out this zone and they clear, this is the next area. Holding this to 2000. Let's see how it looks like on the higher time frames from this area here, which is the weekly support at 1890. Right, so we have the weekly support. Next target, which will be the breakup of these two wicks here. So once we clear that area, we have this one wick to get filled, which is 1868. So $60 move above 1900, and from there we have this zone first, right? So with the push, we might have a test to that area with the wick, and then see some reaction around the 1950 zone, and above 1950, clear path. A couple of wicks on the weekly till 2000 and 2060, I believe, 2040. So yeah, have to hold that support here. DXY's bearish channel. Gold should still push up today. It depends if you really correlate gold to the Dixie. So yeah, 1900 got tapped already. You just need a clean break above and close. Somebody else said to look at BTT. All these coins are out of hand already. So many of them. What is Bitcoin on? 33,000. So now, I guess we can't say we're in a bearish market. Biden equals bearish. Yeah.
Yo, Mac, how long
Yeah.
do you see us staying in this GJ range?
Bro, I just want to see a nice clean break above 156 and just get the heck out of here already.
And it's crazy.
Yeah, man. 156 and we have 157. This is from the 4 hour. So let's go all the way back here. Right, 156 down to June of 2016, man. So 5 years, right?
Right.
So the high was actually tapped at 157,900, and you know you have a wake up to 160. This is the 4 hour, so we might have a tap again to 157 above 156. But yeah, 156 was the last high that we've tapped above that area. I'm not seeing anything but 157, which is the closest zone. From 156 to 157, yeah, I think we should have that nice push. This right here, wow, if you see here, about 157, I guess is a strong reaction zone that it dumped a lot back to 134. This is crazy. Wow, from 157 down to 135. What?
Brexit, man.
That's a crash.
Brexit.
Yeah.
Oh, that was Brexit.
Oh, that was a Brexit. No news. Wow. Jesus. Yeah, Brexit. Anytime Brexit news will come on, it'll be some crazy shit.
Who in the world caught that?
Mm-hmm. Mac, are you a full-time trader for the last time? No, I'm not. I have a business that I need to operate some days of the week, 3 to 4 days of the week, and I have a family to take care of. So no, I can't trade full-time. If you mean full-time trading 3-4 sessions a day, no, I don't do that, and a lot of people don't. They don't do that. It doesn't make any sense. And whoever you think is a full-time trader because they're marketing their course and they say that they trade, that's not a full-time trader. That's a full-time marketer.
I mean, you can trade full time, but you have to do something else with your time.
Yeah, it's being
even if you make enough money to live off trading.
Right. I mean, if you work for a bank or whatever institution, maybe get a full-time trader thing. I don't know how it works, but
Trust me, man. Full-time trading is boring.
Yeah.
It is. You get financial freedom, but otherwise than that, you have to find something to do with your free time. Like I have a side hustles on the side that I do.
Of course, you gotta keep yourself busy somehow and have a routine. That drop was a Brexit vote. Oh, okay.
So whoever wants to go full-time trading, man, like this is the best way to slowly, like, it's all depends on like your mentality. So if you're consistent and you have enough bank in your savings account, you know what I mean? Like when I first went full-time, I had a year saved up. So that I know that I didn't have to stress or, you know what I mean? I had everything planned out. Like if it didn't go perfect, like what's going to be, you know what I mean? So anyone who wants to go full-time trading, if you're consistent, You know what I mean? Have at least a year saved up or whatever you feel comfortable with. And for those younger traders, man, that lives at home with your family, you know, now's the time to take advantage of it because you don't have any stress.
Yeah, that's true. The less stress, the best. But that doesn't mean you have to start off, a problem. I think that a problem with today's millennials and like people my age is that they want to go ahead and get everything done in one day. You project so much energy out that in one day you want to get so many things done. It's impossible. You have to find that balance. Because if you want to go all out, I get it. You want to be enthusiastic about something, and you go full-time trading, for example, full-time whatever it is that you want to do. You give it your all, right? But you're gonna get tired quick. You're gonna get so tired that you're gonna say, F this, I'm out. And even though it's your dream job, your dream hobby, whatever it is, your body's gonna say no. So I raised his hand. What's up?
You know the problem with this? They're the microwave era, man. Like people don't understand like the social media fooled everyone. Like I'm a full-time trader, but I make decent returns. I don't have to, like, if I don't want to trade for the next 2 years, I could go ahead and not trade for the next 2 years. Can I not stop trading for the next 10 years? No, because my business on the side doesn't make that much yet. My goal for the long
Right.
term is, you know what I mean? Hopefully when I'm ready to walk away and just enjoy life, you know, I love trading. I don't think I ever walk away from it, but like, I don't have to trade right now. Like I could take trips and I could relax, but it's not, you know, Instagram got the lifestyle twist up. Like you guys see all these people with Lambos. I have a luxury vehicle. You know what I mean? I have 2 luxury cars. I don't own a Lambo, but I don't have to work for anyone. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
No, it
you
makes
guys
sense.
got your head twist up. You know what I mean? Like think about it. Like would you rather make 60,000 a year trading or 60,000 working for someone else? Like which one would you pick?
Yeah, and that's
You
your
know what I mean?
decision too. Sorry, you got something to say? You raised your hand, or but was that by
Hey,
accident?
can you hear me, Mac?
Yeah, man, I can hear you. What's up?
Oh, okay, cool. First of all, thanks for doing these streams. I really appreciate it. I'm sure everybody else does.
Sure, man. Thank you, thank you. I don't really get that many thanks, but yeah, I
No,
believe
we
they're thankful. Yeah. What's up?
also, I think Raja mentioned last time,
Mhm.
try putting 1 bill at a time.
Okay.
Full-time trading.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So, for example, pay your phone bill first. See if you can pay that every month.
Oh, right. Get a bill. 1 bill. Right. 1 bill. Yeah.
I think that's probably the best way to transition into full-time trading.
Exactly. You set up your eyes on 1 bill. 1 bill at a time. It takes 1 month. So you got 30 days. 21 business days. So set that up. 1 bill. As long as you pay it every month for a period of 3 months, maybe 6 months, half a year, right? That's when you start building consistency and you start building that routine that you're now. It's not that you're gonna have pressure, because every week you're gonna have to. I mean, every month you're gonna have to pay a bill, because you've been doing that for so long already. Let's say 6 months. That we're about to hit the target, final target for the day, and I'll be closing positions. Sorry. So yeah, once you start getting that 1 bill, right? You pay it every month, 6 months. You build up consistency. You build up that routine. What's gonna happen next is that you're gonna have probably some extra money, right? Because as humans, we're greedy. Nature tells us that we're greedy. So it doesn't mean that we're gonna be, degenerates, but that extra money can be used for another bill and so on. Then you start paying all of your bills, and you start having extra money coming in from your side hustle. In this case, will be what, trading. Maybe you have a different job, but at the same time, what you really want is trading. Stick to full-time trading or whatever you want to call it.
And if that phone bill gets cut, if your phone gets cut off, that means you're not ready to trade full-time.
Exactly. If let's say if your lease expires, maybe you haven't paid it, or your phone gets cut off because you haven't paid it, then yeah, you definitely gonna need to get a job.
Yeah, but thank you very much anyway, Mac. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome, brother. Welcome. Alright, let me get the last. I'll be right back, guys. Let me get that second cup of coffee. Be right back. Yes, that's correct too.
So there go what I was talking about with gold. If anyone caught that, I just jumped back on. I saw gold did the structure we're talking about.
Beautiful. Sorry. So what
Yeah.
were the news? If anyone got the numbers?
I just jumped back on.
Kevon, do you took
Hey,
it on this new 15-minute candle on the previous one when it broke the high of the bearish one?
No, I just jumped back on. I was looking at something else. But
Now,
this is
give
the
me one
structure.
second, Kev. I'm just trying to see the numbers for the news, right? Forex Factory.
Better than expected.
Better than expected. All right, so dovish.
Yeah.
So we should be.
Yeah, so it should go down.
Should go down, right?
Yeah.
It should go down, but this is not like something that it's not like it's high impact, but to me, it's not something like related to job. Like the 10 o'clock news will more should affect gold to me.
Right, but anyway, we hit the final target for the day, so I think we're accomplished here, right? So
Yeah.
I think that's more than
Totally.
enough. 61 pips for today. That's a $6.10 move. Whoever took it, give yourself a pat in the back for holding. It was incredible. Very easy, simple, no stress whatsoever. Barely any drawdown. I was in drawdown for maybe 3 pips. Other than that, this should continue up because it's not respecting whatever the news were. I'm trying to figure it out here. What was
But
the?
These are the structure I'm telling you guys to follow. Like there is nothing easier than that when you're trading gold. Like simple market structure. You know what I mean? Like wait for the pullback. It formed support. It broke the high. You go ahead and take the confirmation trade. Like I would never get in if I was on the chart. I would not get in on the close of the 15-minute candle. I wanted to break the high.
You're right.
Because the candles are getting smaller. But otherwwise than that, and this was an easy day. Today was a perfect day.
Yeah, 1902. I'm closing my runner. I'm not gonna be here stuck in this range until 9:30. We might just whip around here. I really don't care about the news. They're not that high impact. It's just straight balance, right? Other than that, if you want to hold that runner, which is, it's got 61 pips down to the entry, and this 4-hour looks like it's gonna take off. In 30 minutes, you're gonna have a pullback. 26 minutes for the next 4-hour to start. But once we overlap 1901 again, and we start closing on the smaller time frame above 1900s, we should definitely continue upwards to 1908, 1912, even 1914 and 1916 to fill this wick up here. A very easy, simple market structure. If you see here and you follow how simple a market structure is on a bullish trend, you have your support created down at the bottom, your main support, another support here, another support here. So what do we see? We see a higher high first created here, your higher low down here. So what's going to happen next? Automatically this becomes a higher high, and this becomes a higher low. So what are we going to expect next? A breakup of this resistance, as I mentioned to you guys before, whoever was in this in the stream earlier, right? Once we start closing above this level, we should continue to create the next higher high, and the next higher high can easily be here, 1908, 1910, or even here, right? So we have,
and then a higher goal is going to be doing a pullback to make a higher low. So once we close above there,
right? Yeah, the higher low. First, we need to tap somewhere to create resistance, and then maybe from here and here, right?
To here. Yeah. And that's all you guys got to look for. Just look for the patterns, man, and look for the session. Like the best session I love to trade is my sweet spot is like between 5:30 and 10. That's my sweet spot.
Yeah, it's 4 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we're getting that close above 1900 finally. That's good. Still got 24 minutes left. Should continue up. I already closed the runner I had. I have to. Oops, sorry. I have to close the stream in a little. Oh, guys. I have an appointment. Yep. A doctor's appointment. I have to get an x-ray checked. But yeah, man, this should continue up. Wow, it's breaking above, and the final target got hit, which is here. And then the ultimate target, which will be 1908, should easily continue up if we don't don't reject this area here. Oh no, look, nice. That was 120 pips for the day. I think whoever caught that should be proud of themselves. And other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and say thank you everyone for showing up. Welcome. I welcome everyone again next stream, which will be tomorrow, hosted at 6:30 a.m. till 9. But I gotta leave a little earlier today, guys. But be safe, everyone. Thank you so much for showing up. Unmute yourselves if you want to go ahead and say something on the stream.
Thank you, man.
Welcome.
Have a good one.
Thanks, Mac.
Welcome.
Thanks,
guys.
Mac.
Welcome.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for that.
We love you, Mac.
I love you. Spam it. Spam it.
Thanks, Mac. Smashed it, man. Nice one. Well played.
Yes, sir.
Like Mac.
Smashed
like
it.
YouTube.
Smashed
like
it.
the YouTube.
Alright, man.
YouTube.
Appreciate you.
YouTube.
Man,
Face
do me a
Market
favor,
here.
Max. Slow down, man. You're not a pro race car driver. You're
Oh,
a trader,
yeah.
not a race car driver, man. Slow down.
No. Yeah, I had to get somewhere fast.
You know,
And, my
it's
anxiety.
alive. You know what I mean?
You guys need me
It's
for the
either-
stream, so I'm gonna have to slow
Yeah,
down
we need you, man.
on my
We need
on
you,
my
man.
driving. But anyway, guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna go back to the streets and race a little more. But be safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Mac. I'll see you tomorrow, brother.
Bye bye.
Be safe, sir. Be safe.
Yeah.
Peace.